Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question, which is the cheaper cab. The chef has traveled to another place, and for this he can avail two cab service. So the first cab service charges X rupees and the second cab service charges Y rupees. So the chef wants to spend minimum amount of money. So which cab service that the chef would take? Okay, you just have to find. So there is given a number of test cases here. So number of test cases has been given, and you just have to check which one he would avail. So the first here and the second is given. Okay. So the first is 30 and 65. 30 and 65. This is 42, 42, and the third is 90 and 50. You just have to determine which one is less. So of course the first in a first row the 30 is less, so he would avail first car. Okay, sorry, first car, and this is both are equal, so he can avail any of them. And so in the second is less, sorry, so second he would avail the second one. So you just have to print it. Okay, so let's write the code here. Pseudocode here has been given that entity, which is the number of test cases, say int, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x, and then you just have to do cnx. Okay, after taking the input x and input y, you have to check if x is greater than y, then you just have to do cout first. Okay, sorry, less than. Else if y is less than x, then you just have to do cout second. Else you have to cout any. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding of this pseudocode. So let's write the code here. Int t, y, you just have to take input t, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take input x comma y, which will represent first car and second car, and y again, and then you have to check if x is less than y, then you just have to do cout x, cout first. Okay, and else if y is less than x, then you just have to do cout second. Else you have to do cout any. Okay, so let's run this code.